Hey guys, good afternoon. Audits here. I want to do a quick tutorial. I'm really not going to show you how to do it. I'm going to explain what you need to do to get away from cities, towns, trying to get your video taken down from YouTube by playing copyrighted music. I was watching another channel and they were having a conversation about that they got a strike on this, and it's real easy to do. You just got to do it in post-production afterwards, and I'm going to show you here right now how I got rid of this music. Now I'm going to put a link to the original video so you can see what was going on. I'm not going to put it on my channel or within the video, because if I do that, then I will get a copyright strike or possibly a copyright claim. We don't want that. So here you go. And this is what you can do. Is all you do is you layer a copyright-free song on top of your video. So you got your video playing, you take a copyright-free song. Usually they don't sound that good. It really doesn't matter, I guess. But the main thing is you don't want to get a copyright claim. So like I said, do your track, then on top of that, lay another one down, make your adjustments so it just covers the other one, but does not cover the voice of you or the person you're talking to. If you watch my video, you see that it can be done, and you hear music, you don't hear the original song, which was, you'll see it if you go to that. And like I said, I'll put in a link. And then you just adjust it until you get it the way you want it. And that way you keep the tyrants who don't like freedom of the press to get your video taken down. So good luck. Go check out his channel, like and subscribe there. Also like and subscribe on my channel. I appreciate it. You have a wonderful day. Audits out.
I wish more people would play music in city halls. Well, I'm gonna get in touch with the fire chief, because this right here is not ADA compliant. You got to have clear walkways for people to get out. I can't imagine somebody even thought that was possible.
He's part of it too, fire chief.
Oh, is he? Sir, do you know who put this sign up here?
I am not sure.
No? I'd like to make a couple record requests. Do you have somebody that could take a records request, like the city clerk? How'd you guys know I was going to be in Easley? How'd you guys know I was going to be in Easley? It said Legends in Easley. I'm majorly awesome. They don't have my picture on here, but that's just because it's trademarked. But yeah, Legends in Easley. You didn't tell me they knew I was coming. Legends in Easley.
I want it to be a surprise.
Oh, all right. No, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, the city clerk or whoever needs to come up to give me a public record request, that'll be fine. Sure.
not in their office, but is there a form that you've already filled out, or do you need a FOIA request form?
I need a form.
You do need a blank form?
Yeah.
Okay.